Hey everyone, quick question. Have you ever wanted to speak English fluently but didn't know where to start?
Oh, yes, I see that happen all the time. Learners know words, but when it's time to speak, suddenly everything feels difficult.
Well, today's episode is going to fix that. We're talking about daily English conversation practice by topic, step by step, so you can speak confidently every day.
By the end of this episode, you'll have a set of topics, phrases, and mini dialogues that you can actually use in real life at home, at work, or even when traveling.
Imagine this. You meet someone new at a cafe. You want to start a conversation, but all you can say is, "Hi, how are you?"
Oh, yes, that happens to everyone. And what if they ask something back? Then panic sets in.
Today, we're going to teach you how to have smooth conversations on 10 common daily topics so you never feel lost again.
And I am Saira. Together, we make learning English fun, simple, and practical.
Hi friends, I'm Rafal, and I help learners from India, Pakistan, and all over the world improve their English speaking and listening skills.
Today's episode is perfect if you want to speak confidently in English every day, learn practical phrases and sentences, improve your listening and vocabulary naturally.
So let's jump right in. We'll start with topic 1, greetings and introductions.
Greetings are the first step in any conversation. Instead of just saying hi, you can use phrases like good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How's it going? Nice to meet you.
Mini dialogue example.
Good morning. How's it going?
Good morning. I'm doing well, thank you. And you? Using small variations makes your English sound natural and friendly.
Vocabulary tip. How's it going? Informal way to ask, how are you? Nice to meet you. Use when meeting someone for the first time. I'm doing well. I'm fine. Common responses.
Audience challenge. Comment below one way you greet someone in English.
Next, let's talk about your daily routine. This is a very common topic in everyday conversations.
Instead of saying I work, I sleep, I eat, you can use richer sentences. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I go to work by bus. In the evening, I like to read a book or watch TV.
Mini dialogue.
Hi, Sarah. How was your day?
Hi, Rafal. It was good. I went to work, then I visited the market, and in the evening, I watched a movie.
See how much better that sounds than just good, I work, sleep, eat.
Vocabulary tip. Usually, something you do most days. In the evening, in the morning, time expressions. Like to, expressing hobbies or preferences.
Quick question for our audience. What's one thing you do every morning? Write it in English in the comments. Another important daily conversation topic is asking for directions.
Common phrases include, excuse me, where is? How can I get to? Is it far from here? Can you show me on the map?
Mini dialogue.
Excuse me, where is the train station?
Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. It's next to the bank.
Thank you very much.
Vocabulary tip. Turn left, turn right, directions. Block, street, road. Commonplace words. Next to, opposite, near, position words. Audience engagement. Comment below a place you want to ask directions for in English.
Shopping is another topic we all need to master.
Useful phrases include, how much is this? Do you have this in a different size? Can I pay by card? I'm just looking, thank you. Mini dialogue.
Excuse me, how much is this shirt?
It's $25.
Do you have it in a medium size?
Yes, here you go. Vocabulary tip. Price, cost, talking about money. Size, small, medium, large. Try on, put on clothes to check fit. Audience challenge. Write in the comments what you would say if you go shopping for clothes.
Talking about hobbies makes conversations interesting.
Phrases include I like to play football. My favorite hobby is I enjoy reading books. Mini dialogue.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy cooking and listening to music. What about you?
I like to play football and watch movies.
Vocabulary tip. Enjoy, like, love. Express preferences. Hobby, free time, leisure. Words to describe activities. Audience engagement. Comment your favorite hobby in English.
Talking about weather is another topic easy and universal.
Phrases include It's sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy today. I like this weather. It's very hot or cold today. Mini dialogue.
How is the weather today?
It's sunny and warm, perfect for a walk.
I agree. Let's go outside later.
Vocabulary tip. Sunny, rainy, snowy, cloudy. Common weather adjectives. Hot, warm, cold, cool. Temperature words. Perfect, nice, bad weather. Describing the day. Audience challenge. Write today's weather in English in the comments. Talking about health makes conversations common, especially when visiting a doctor.
I have a headache, fever, cold. I don't feel well. I need to see a doctor. I need some medicine.
Mini dialogue. Hello, doctor. I don't feel well. I have a sore throat.
I see. Take this medicine twice a day and rest.
Vocabulary tip. Sick, ill, unwell, pain. Describing health. Medicine, prescription, rest. Useful words for health conversations. Audience engagement. Comment below one sentence about how you feel today in English.
Talking about your job or studies is very useful.
Phrases include I work as a teacher, engineer, nurse. I am a student at Bode University. I have many meetings today. I study English to improve my skills. Mini dialogue.
What do you do for work?
I'm a software engineer. And you?
I'm a teacher. I love teaching English.
Vocabulary tip. Job, work, career, profession. Talking about occupation. Study, learn, skills, classes. Talking about learning. Audience challenge. Write your profession or study in English in the comments.
Finally, making plans is essential for daily conversation.
Vocabulary tip. Do you want to? Shall we? Let's meet at. What time is good for you? Many dialogue.
Do you want to go to the park this evening?
Sure, what time?
Let's meet at 6 p.m.
Perfect. See you then. Vocabulary tip. Meet, go, plan, time, schedule. Words for making plans. Sure, perfect, sounds good. Agreeing politely. Audience engagement. Comment one plan you want to make in English today. Let's quickly review the 10 daily conversation topics we covered today. 1. Greetings and introductions. 2. Talking about your day. 3. Ordering food. 4. Asking for directions. 5. Shopping. 6. Talking about hobbies. 7. Talking about weather. 8. Talking about health. 9. Talking about work and school. 10. Making plans.
Host 2. We also learned useful vocabulary, phrases, and many dialogues to help you practice every day.
The key is practice daily. Speak slowly and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Thank you so much for listening. Remember, every sentence you speak brings you closer to fluency.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this episode with friends who want to improve their English.
And remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use today's topics in your conversations every day.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Speak English confidently every day.